Dude, this is kind of ridiculous. I like this though. I'm low-key into this. All right, this is called the Aquila. Really quick, let's take a look at this. This is the Aquila. We got some Owl Lab stabs in here. I'm not too sure if this will come with stabilizers, didn't say. I broke the packaging, so my bad on that. Little guide that also comes with this. Kindle Star, Billy stuff. Pretty sure there's already been some content with this. So judging by us getting these little spacers here for the stabilizers, looks like this might be a thin PCB. Honestly, I'm not too concerned. I think this is more just a keyboard to have some fun with, but I mean, we'll see. So 1.2 mil, and then it looks like some gasket socks. Also, is this Bluetooth? I'm not sure. I am honestly not sure if this is Bluetooth. That looks like a Bluetooth dongle. Comes with some foam. Oh! What? Dude, I am like loving all the Bluetooth stuff we're getting lately. Okay, Bluetooth. This keyboard is a 50% bezel. Okay, I'm gonna take off this this tape and all this junk over here so we can actually look at the keyboard. Ooh, the foam deteriorated inside here, so it's like the foam of the hard shell, I guess. So we'll have to clean it up a little bit. This is fun. This is fun. I don't care what anyone says. This is totally fun. I am very into this. It's got some glue residue from the tape. I don't like their packaging for this. Tell you that much. And yeah, we got some... looks like some very minor flex cuts. I'm not too concerned about that. Looks like we still should get like a decent sound profile off of this. Let's see. Yeah, like one baby flex cut in the bottom right corner, which quite frankly I don't understand, but you know what? Oh, and this little baby one right over here. Nice PCB too. Okay, so good PCB. Oh, hot swap. I don't have to solder today. Nice. I'm actually more pumped up that this offers... Oh, can I build this plateless then? Wait. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't look too much at the group buy. This was just sent to me. This is sent to me by Key Spencer, which are some friends of mine in the hobby. I didn't really take too much of a peek at the details, but oh hey, that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll build this plate. Actually, no, it's hot swap. Darn it. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna go plateless or on a hot swap. Cool though. And we got this giant ass knob on this. Dude, this is kind of ridiculous. I like this though. Hey, I'm into this, man. I'm low-key into this. Dented or smooth knob. This is just a very, very smooth. Actually, this has a feels like a bit of a step when rotating it. Like it has like a bit of a stepped rotate, but I think Feather might have told me. Hold on, let me see if I can go to our conversation. $299. That's not bad. Like for something different. $299, Bluetooth, 2.5 kilograms it says. Has RGB backlighting, VIA support, battery, a 4,000 milliamp battery. That's not bad. Hot swap, which to each their own with hot swap. I guess you could technically build it plateless. I don't know if there's going to be a solderable version. That's not terrible. This is when I saw this, honestly, when it came through the door, and if you get this hard shell, like this hard carrying case for it too, that's not bad. Good value there. I thought this was going to be like $450. I'm not going to lie. And I thought this was going to be kind of a flop at $450, but this is not bad at all. I wonder how well the Bluetooth performs. Visually, it looks so ridiculous, like me standing it up like this, by the way, as you can see. If you type in ! build, it should pop up. Visually, box on wedge style. Bottom has this really interesting texture with it's not really a weight, but more of a badge on the bottom. And then we have some feet. Very simple. Not really a recessed USB-C cable, but it kind of gets hidden underneath the... Bless you. It kind of gets... sorry, someone sneezed. It kind of gets hidden over here. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. What's on these plates? Are these the Bluetooth modules on the plate? kind of want to use FR4 though. What do you guys want to see today? FR4 or Palm? What is this? I'm honestly not sure what this is. So nice. Oh, is this the antenna for the Bluetooth? I see. So we got the battery that plugs into there. Yeah, the knob has its own daughter board, which means this plugs into the knob, this plugs into here. Well, I appreciate they're not ribbon cables though. I don't think we're gonna be able to do this plate. I will tell them that this plate isn't fitting the stabs very nice. No, I'm not gonna put pressure onto this. I'll just use this plate. This plate works fine. This I don't understand. Like, this does not allow much clearance at all. It's way too, I would just open up the hole a little bit bigger, but it's fine. Are these for plate mount? Am I just stupid? Oh, these are for plate mount. You guys are right. Plate mount in 2023? I have not, I'll be honest, I've used plate mount twice ever in my entire life. I just never use plate mount. And then this gets plugged into this, which I've never plugged in. You know, this actually might be a pretty good combination with the Geon switches. Very, very interesting. I think I might need a plate for it though. This board's really interesting. I feel like this desk pad might be taking away from this board too, but like, it's so cool. I'm into it. Wow, Torx with this. Let's go. It's always a nice treat seeing Torx screws. I'm also just a fan of minimalistic and white/gray. I've been so into like concrete and stone lately too. I think let's plug in this first and see how it goes. Ooh, this is actually kind of a toughie to push in here. Maybe I have to remove this switch first. Let's do that first. What is it, this switch? We'll see how this is build install wise. All right, that's in. Then let's put this in here. Some of the sleeves are kind of slipping. Let's put our sleeves back in the right spots. All right. The tenant is supposed to arrive on Monday. I'm very pumped. Thank you. Oh, quality. It's already built. If you're gonna desolder it, or actually, I don't remember. Was the tenant? Was that a hot swap PCB? I don't remember now. I don't even remember what switches it has inside of it. I think it has KTT switches inside of it. Quality. But Nixie's would probably be really cool for it. We're talking about the prize board, right? Quality. The prize winner TKL, like yours that you won from me. Yeah, it's already built. You don't have to worry about buying anything. There's only like 2 or 3 builds that in that little pile of things. Should I have done this different? Like, should I have put this in the top? I don't know. You know what? Let's just do this. Yeah, you know what? Hold on. Let me do this different. Let's do it like this. Before situating it the other way around. There we go. Perfect. All right, not awful. Not the most, I guess, fluid build experience, but not awful. Oh man, do I have to clip switches or remove them for this? This is why I don't like this hidden screw style design thing ever. Should be good to go now. All right. That's one way to get around it, but then now this particular palm plate slips over here. Yeah, I'll say it. I don't really love the build experience for this right now. The girth of that thing is kind of girthy, huh? All right, let's screw this guy back into place now. Everything should be put in here. We'll see if we need more foam or anything for this, but no way. Okay. We actually do need to clip the switches. The screw is actually too big. What if I really force it down? Okay. I can sort of force it through. I would suggest to them okay, you can sort of force it through. I don't love the screwless type of design where it requires you to like, not requires you, but it becomes a little bit of a hassle to have switches in the way. Don't love it, but you know what? It's not the end of the world. It just kind of takes away from some of the build experience, in my opinion. So it's not a bad thing, just not my favorite thing in the world. That's kind of cool so far. I'm vibing. Let's do redacted. I think redacted on this might be really cool. I'm vibing with this set on this. This looks nice. I like this. For $300, I am not terribly pissed off about that. I think this is a cool project. And for the $300 price point for what you get in the box, actually, this doesn't even sound too bad. Color options is a good question. Looks like black and white maybe, that's it. Let me double check. The group buy is August 15th, and I think it runs for about a month. There's RGB on this too, I guess per key. Let's see if I plugged it all in nicely. All right, there's RGB on this. I probably want to turn that off. Damn, I actually really like these switches. Oh, there is something over here. Oop. Underneath this key. Ah, right there. Okay. Right there, there's an on and off switch. Okay, on. I also don't know if the battery's charged. So it is on right now. Okay, so then let's take this off for now. L is for the RGB. Okay, so it is working. But I need to Bluetooth connect. It does recognize the device. All right, it's connected. Now, I think the battery, I didn't plug in the battery. I did not plug it in. That's right, I had to plug it in, right? Chill, guys, chill. We'll plug it in right now. We'll plug it in. But I'm pretty positive I didn't plug in the, I think I forgot to. Here, we'll unscrew it all right now, real quick. See, I did not plug it in. I remember mentally saying, plug it in, Alex, but I didn't plug it in. Easy fix. Hey, okay, let's see how this sounds. It is Bluetooth, so we can just like move this over here. Let's move some stuff off the desk. Actually, you know what? Just for funsies, let's do this too. How's it look? Actually, you know what? Let's just see how it sounds with the desk pad, and then I'll take off the desk pad. All right, so this is the Aquila. It's a what they consider ultra minimal, ultra wide. So let's see how this sounds. We're using no foam. It does come with a bunch of foam, which you could use. We're using the palm plate and the Geon switches, which I have added a little bit more lube. Give you guys a little HJ test. So nice. Thank you, feed. It is a, you know what, guys? This sounds exactly what I thought it was going to sound like. It's all aluminum. There's no weight. A little thinner than I'd personally like. However, if we wanted to, I don't think I'm gonna. We could potentially throw in a piece of foam on the bottom. We could twist the knob. It almost looks like the board's floating, huh? Like when you look at it like this, it almost looks like it's floating. Almost. That's interesting. Ooh, it sounds better with no desk pad. Not using a desk pad tends to bring out some of the bassy sound signature too. That actually looks... Oh, look at the reflection of the purple with the sunlight. That's cool. Okay, sun, get out of here. There's a fire truck. Is it heavy? It's about 4 pounds, 4.5 pounds. Cool. I don't mind this. I feel like, again, I feel like this needs to be stressed. Building the keyboard was not challenging. Had a few pieces where I feel like could be tuned up better. The visuals, I really like this. I think that perhaps I will go. I'm gonna try it like this for now for myself, and then perhaps maybe by the time tonight comes to, because I'll probably switch this to being foam and you guys can hear it tonight too. But overall, like, I'm not mad at the way this sounds. Not quite my preference. Although I love this without a desk pad though. Hear this, listen to this. And plus it's Bluetooth, so damn, these two sound great. This is multicolored PVD, I believe. It's like a little badge that says Aquila on it. Ultimately, I kind of like this project though. Like I'm not gonna sit here and like diss this up for what you get for $300. Like I kind of like this. I think this might be my board of choice today. The side bezels are so wide it can be used. Oh yeah, you could draw some stuff on it. Like I feel like if you had a permanent marker and wanted to draw some shit on this, that might be really cool. It's cool. I like this. It's different. It's not the same old thing we've been seeing. The internals, whatever. I don't think there's any standout points on the internals. But I will say though, from a technical standpoint, the fact that they put the antenna on the plate is kind of genius. Because then you don't have to create some like weird port for the Bluetooth module. Having the antenna built on the plate and then you clip it in, kind of smart. And for anyone wondering, the Bluetooth on this, like I am noticing 0 delay. It's completely, like I would assume this is plugged in. I don't know how this is gonna be for gaming. I don't think it's gonna be bad for gaming at all. But then also on the manual, I noticed that it looks like it can have what I'm assuming is 6 different Bluetooth connections. It has the RGB on it too, so if you really want it to RGB, you can switch it here. Oh, and then there's different modes of RGB here, I think. Oh, wrong button. Yeah, so you could technically get like really decked out in RGB here. Yeah, there's also a dongle for this too, which is somewhere over here that I put. Yeah, there's a dongle for this too, so you can go into 2.4 gigahertz mode too. Cool. Is this not VIA? Frether told me something about this. Frether said that this was... Is it VIA compatible? The VIA web file. Okay, there is a VIA web file, but you have to upload it to VIA right now. So you could technically put this into VIA too. This is a cool vibe. I like this. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Love you. Peace out, everyone. See you guys soon, and bye-bye.